But yeah, we are working on Mike's 66 Mustang today. It's really clean. It's a very clean car. We got a little punch list, like just looking it over, kind of making sure everything's good. Possible carb rebuild and axle seals and yeah. We are missing a seat. I will get to that in a minute, but it's for his wife. It's her car. She's a little shorter, I guess, which I'm short, so you know, it is what it is. But normally Mustang seats, they sit a little high. For some reason, this one sits pretty low, so my mission is to raise that seat up a bit. So I am designing and going to be fabricating some seat risers or a seat riser. We'll figure that out. But I'm gonna put that seat up about 1.5 inches. I'm trying to figure that out, the easiest way to do it, but make it clean. So it's all gonna bolt in all the factory holes and whatnot. So I'm taking a bunch of measurements right now. I already have the seat out. So I pulled the brackets off. I'm probably gonna build a big plate that comes on here. So I'll probably do something C-channel, and it'll be flat, and I'll throw some sickle designs in there, and then these guys will bolt onto it. So I'll have bolts, the bolt into the plate, and then I can throw the original bolts back in there because they got to be able to clear those little channels in there. So I want to build a bolt in there and not interfere with anything. So usually I would just build something that comes off these studs, but because it's 1.5 inches, we're gonna run out of length, and yeah. I want that seat to sit exactly like it used to sit in there. So yeah, it's a little process. So I just took a bunch of measurements and I'm gonna come up with something. Usually I go into it without a plan and I figure something out. So here. I'm gonna finish what I was doing. I'm trying to throw a little RR logo in there.
The black and red dots were the...
So these are all the holes. So I got the 4 holes, and basically I'm going to start with the center. So I'm going to do a little logo, probably some little shapes in there just so it's not one big flat piece of metal. And then I am going to have to extend these out for when I start building that C-channel. So I'm going to have to extend them because they're going to wrap around each other. It's a simple process. It's just one of my designs I'm kind of thinking of, or I just keep it simple and do something else. But it'd be nice to do something fun, something cool, to where if they ever pull that seat out, they're like, damn, somebody put time into this. Yeah, and then be like, oh, it's got RR, maybe that's retro rides. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna play around with designs and figure something out.